Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video, you leave a comment, you subscribe to this channel if you find my content helpful. I've been doing this for a long time. I just want to add value. Please don't try to support my channel. So in this Binance, now this is the Binance app. If you don't have a Binance app, I'll leave a link in the description so that I can get a Binance app. And when you use my link in creating a Binance account, you can get 20% discount from all your transactions if you use the link in my description. Anyway, let's go into the video. So for example, if you look at this top screen, this place that is changing, now, I want to show you something. If you notice, this is where we get our announcements on Binance. Now look at this announcement. It said Automata Binance Launchpool. This Automata is a new token, right? So it says introducing Automata ATA on Binance Launchpool. Farm ATA by staking BNB and BUSD. So basically, that's what I'm trying to explain to you. You're going to stake. That means you're going to put your BNB into a farm. Then, when it's yielding profit, you're going to get your return back in ATA. And when you want to, claim your BNB back, you're going to get your BNB back. So they said this Binance is excited to announce the 20th project on the Binance Launchpool. That Automata ATA is a decentralized service protocol that provides a privacy middleware layer for the apps. The apps is the one we use in our Trust Wallet to make purchase on PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and co. They said users will be able to stake their BNB, BUSD, and DOT into separate pools to farm ATA tokens for over 30 days, with the farming starting from on the 2nd of June 2021. And basically, this opportunity is an opportunity for you to get free token by just farming. And that is how this thing works. So I want to show you, a lot of people have Binance app, they come to this launchpad, they click here. Let me show you where the launchpad is. If you look at this top place, you see deposit, referral, battle margin, launchpad, the one that is under deposit, that looks like a rocket. You click on it, right? This launchpad is an opportunity for you that maybe you don't know how to trade and you want to make profit on Binance, for you to make money. So people make money from launchpad. How do they make money from launchpad? They use the cryptocurrency they have, maybe their BNB, their BUSD, or any token that is required. They use it to get new one that is about to be listed. Then after they've acquired that new one for free, when the cryptocurrency is listed on Binance, they can now sell it and make money back. I hope I did not confuse you there, but then I'll explain everything to you. So for example, now on Binance Launchpad, there are different projects that have launched in the past. Let me show you. Let me come to view all. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll take my time to explain everything to you. Now look at in this view all, this project has launched. Lina, some people got this Lina token for free. Tokyo Crypto, all these ones that you see here, they've all been launched. Barcelona token, Barca fan token. I knew when this one launched and I missed out. However, in as much as all these projects have been launched, from time to time when you come to your launchpad, there are always new tokens to benefit from. So at the moment, if you leave your launchpad and you come to your launchpad are projects that have been launched. Launchpool is where you are launching the product, right? So now they said Binance Launchpool, a secure way to farm new assets. So this is what is going to happen now. They are going to show you the new project that have not been launched that you can gain. So that crypto I talked about, ATA, Automata, this is it. They said a decentralized service protocol that provides privacy middleware for the apps. And if you look at this page, there's a green icon showing farming. That means you can actually get this token now. They said time until farming ends in 18 days time. If you miss out on this, you miss out on it. You're not going to get anything from it. And they're not telling you that you can mine this with your BNB. So if you have BNB, if you stake your BNB, you put your BNB here, you're going to earn ATA. Look at it here. You understand? And they're telling you the percentage of ATA you can get. You understand? So 4.57%, and you'll be seeing the growth from time to time. Anytime you want to leave, you leave. But because BNB is not a stable crypto and the price has been going up and coming down, for some personal reason I decided not to stake BNB. If you want to stake BNB, all you need to do is to click on stake now, right? When you click on stake now, it will show you your funds, the available BNB you have, then you click on stake. If you don't have BNB, you have to buy. So once you click on stake, it's going to show you it's going to it, but I'm not staking BNB, I stake BUSD. So I'm going to show you guys. It's very simple, very straightforward. Now if you come down, look at this BUSD pool. There's a DOT, this POLKADOT. You can stake POLKADOT and gain percent, but I did not stake POLKADOT. I staked a stable crypto, even though the percentage is low. The percent I'm getting from it is low. So I staked BUSD, Binance US dollar pair, BUSD, to gain auto data. If you notice now, they're just showing me that I've gotten another 0.010 ATA. So I have been farming it. I just put my crypto there and I allow it to work. I just relax. So now if I click on this, it will show you that I'm already farming this particular cryptocurrency. So this is it. My fund BUSD staked, I staked 33.1700 BUSD, and this is the reward I've gotten so far. Unclaimed BUSD 0.0101, and I think I've just done this for like 3 days and I'm not claimed it. Like I just wanted to continue to gain more, right? So once you stake it, you just click on stake here. You put the amount of the crypto you want to stake. The higher the crypto, the higher profit you make. Your capital is safe. Then if you move down, you begin to see your reward, the auto data you are getting. That is it. This is the ATA I've gotten so far. So I'm leaving it for like 18 days, and so I can get more. You understand? And if you want to monitor the progress, there's a way you can check it on your Binance app, right? Make sure you smash the subscribe button if you find this content interesting, and leave a comment if you have any questions so that I can help you. This is a very good way of making crypto without you trading, just for free. If you come to your wallet, and you come to overview, right? If you come to your overview wallet and you scroll down, you see down this overview, you're going to see spot, cross, P2P, and if you see this end part, this particular thing that is showing here is the crypto you are farming, the one that you are farming on Binance Launchpad. This is it. That's the end. If we click on the end, they're going to show you the percentage of what you have gotten. So I staked 33.17 BUSD. My cumulative reward is 0.0101786 Automata. So that is how this thing works. Make sure you smash the subscribe button if you find this content helpful. Turn the bell post notification on so that when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And guys, this is the content I'm giving out now. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.